today's video is all about summer, and this video is actually sponsored by Michael Kors. It's really funny because I know Michael Kors personally. A couple years ago I have walked his show a couple times. I don't know if you guys have seen that. I've also shot a couple times for the brand, and it's just really fun to have done that and now also work on the social side with the brand. So today I want to share all my summer favorites and things I'm going to bring on my summer holiday. And the first thing is my Michael Kors Wanderlust fragrance. And this fragrance is so like floral and sweet and fruity, and it's really funny because when was it? I think, yeah, exactly 1 year ago for my summer vacation. Max and I went to Santorini, and it's like in Greece, and you have all these like little white houses, and it's so romantic. And this scent kind of like reminded me of that whole trip. And the name is actually Wanderlust, and Wanderlust means the desire to travel, and I feel I have a lot of wanderlust. When it's winter, I'm already like wondering where I'm gonna go this summer. And well, some of you guys might know that this year I'm gonna go to Africa, and it's also like kind of an exotic fragrance, so it's gonna be perfect for me to bring on my holiday to Africa, and I can just use it during the day and just during the evening, same as I do now in New York City. I will actually put a link in the description down below so you can check it out as well. Oh, I'm so excited for my safari and like my adventure. I'm so curious because I haven't been back since I was, I think, like 5 years old. So a lot of fun vlogs gonna come. Anyway, you guys know how much I'm into scents and like candles, and I'm not only using candles in the winter, because one of my favorite ones at the moment is this Trudon, and this is the scent Sultan, and it really smells like a grapefruit. So when I put this in my apartment, it's like fresh everywhere and has this grapefruit smell. And also now in like the summer nights, I love to put it on the balcony or on the rooftop and have like a romantic little cozy summer night. So I want to show you guys a couple of my favorite beauty items for this season and my favorite bikinis and summer looks. I'm gonna show you guys just a couple of my favorite beauty items. So, and I already put like a bunch of bikinis here. And you know what? I'm actually gonna put them on for you guys so we can see. Okay, so this is bikini number 1. And this bikini is from Summer Swim. And I think it's super cute. It kind of has this like retro colors and just like a nice V and like a tiny bottom, so you don't get like really big tan lines. Next, here it's a bathing suit from Redone and Solid and Stripe, and it has this super interesting back. Honestly guys, I really love bathing suits because they're so comfortable. Because sometimes the bikinis when you're on the beach, like it can like fall down or like it moves all the time, and bathing suits are just there and they stay there most of the time. So this with like a tie-dye, I think it's super like retro and yeah, kind of fun. So this next one is from Pony, and it's kind of like this light blue top with bottom, and it has this like very cute back, and I really love it. Like, it's funny because I love triangle bikinis, as you know. I think that just looks the best for my posture, and I mean for everyone is different, but this blue I think is really adorable. And again, this one is from Summer Swim. So this one is a velvet bikini from Solid and Stripe, and honestly, first when I saw the velvet I was a little bit like, as a bikini I don't really like it, but honestly I do really like it. the color of this is just really beautiful, and it is just something else. And I kind of like the like velvet trend in all the swimwear, so definitely going to take this. Oh, I'm even hot from filming and changing. So these were a couple of like my favorite bikinis, which I'm going to bring on my holiday. And I just wanted to show you guys quickly some of my new summer looks and how I style them as well. So this first summer dress is from Lily Lotan, and I bought it at Chop Up, and it's a silky long dress, and it is perfect for like a summer night or when it's really hot, because it's not warm at all and it looks super chic. I love to combine this with some golden jewelry. The second look is a Versace jeans bodysuit, and I got this at Chop Up as well. And these jeans I got from a market in Thailand, and normally I'm not really into bodysuits, but this one I really like. It's something different and it's so easy to put on, and it looks a lot of fun. Then the third look is a white skirt from Lovers and Friends, and I got this at Revolve with an RUMI basic top. And honestly, they have the best basic tops, and I like to combine this with like a hat to make it a little bit more summery and festive. Then I did some shopping at Nasty Gal, and this dress I would definitely take to Africa. It's like floaty and it's beautiful, it's light, and the colors are really fun, and I love to wear this with a hat as well, or even without. It has a very nice like open back and like an open front, but it does cover up everything. And also at Nasty Gal I got this casual stripe t-shirt, and it's very light, perfect for summer, easy to put on. And I combined this with a Levi's jeans from Urban Outfitters. Okay, so like the first thing I put in my bag when I travel anywhere, or something what I use every morning in summer, is sunscreen, which is like the most important thing, because obviously you want to protect your skin. And I'm gonna be very honest, I had quite a hard time finding the perfect sunscreen, because it was always too oily, or like it didn't really feel good, it got greasy, I would get like acne afterwards. So for my skin, this one was recommended by my dermatologist, is LTMD, and it has SPF 46, and I use this on my face every morning. Sunscreen, guys, very important if you're packing your bag. And talking about like moisturizers, sunscreens, obviously it is summer, so I also change up my day cream, because I used to wear a lot of Orveda, which is kind of like a heavier cream, and I love it. But for the summer I'm using this balancing moisturizer by Omorovicka, and it's a super light moisturizer, and really like suits my skin, and it's really good for like a normal to oily skin, because in the summer I even get like a little bit of oily skin because it's like so hot outside. Another thing I'm super obsessed with is this California Love palette by Colourpop, and I am actually wearing it right now, and it has this like all really beautiful like golden colors. So as you guys know, I'm like super into still all like the new kind of colors, and this Marc Jacobs one is such an easy, like, I don't know, it's in between like a lip gloss, and it's kind of like pinkish, and it has some mint in there, and this is the color 564 Sweet Escape. And it's funny because I feel I always share this in my favorite videos, but these are just my favorite. And then I have the Belle Soir by Charlotte Tilbury, which is more of like a lip gloss, and I think it's really well for kind of like a summery makeup look. So besides all my beauty items and about my favorite clothes, I also have a couple of favorites which I love to eat in summer. And for that, we actually need to go to the kitchen. So, okay, so one of my favorite things, frozen grapes. Ta-da! So these are 3 of my favorite summer discoveries. First one, frozen grapes. I put them in the freezer, and this is such like a refreshing and healthy snack as well, and it's so delicious. So instead of eating like ice cream, or yeah, you know, sometimes in the summer you just want to have something fresh, and this has been my latest obsession. They're so good. Sometimes you do want to have ice cream. So I try to avoid like dairy and a lot of sugar, and this brand, it is called Cocoa, and you can buy it at Whole Foods, and it's dairy free, it is nut free, and it's based on like coconut cream and coconut milk. So I'm gonna eat a little bit of ice cream, and I'm actually gonna sit outside. So guys, real summer. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will put all the links for the products in the description down below. Thank you for Michael Kors for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I hope everyone is gonna have an amazing summer. Comment down below, what are your plans? Where are you traveling to? I'm very curious. Have a good day.